What's the meaning of crocked? Crocked. Crocked.
Crocked. Crocked. The word crocked refers to being drunk or intoxicated. When someone is crocked, they are under the influence of alcohol or drugs and their behavior and coordination are impaired. They may have slurred speech, stumble when walking, and exhibit poor judgment. Crocked individuals can pose a danger to themselves and others, particularly if they attempt to operate vehicles or heavy machinery while under the influence. The effects of being crocked can vary depending on the substance consumed and the amount ingested, but generally it is not a desirable state to be in.